Are you frustrated about the many web meetings because they are anonymous, because they're boring, because they have a poor impact on the audience? And when the presenter even switches on the camera, you get distracted because there's so much going on in the background, to the point that you're even annoyed because it is exhausting. And in the end, you're ready to click away. And when you look at the information shared on the screen, you feel that it is overloaded with unnecessary details. The message is unclear, and it is hard to follow what is being spoken about in the moment. And in the end, it is impossible to remember anything. Unfortunately, this is more the norm than anything else. Hi, I am Coach Colin, and if you are asking yourself how to be the presenter who makes a great impact online, without spending time and money on complicated software, services and systems, then this is for you. Because I still speak to so many heads of business and managers and professionals like you who think that to be able to do a good impact online, you need a green screen studio, like at Marvel even, with cameras and lights and backgrounds and a team to support you to create the effects and cut the results. But actually, you want to cut that out because none of that is necessary. I speak to business heads and managers who think that they have to get invested in an event platform so that they can reach out to their customers, but they are afraid of the complexity and the price and the support a system like that needs. But in fact, you don't need any of that. All you need is a system, a platform, a way to approach your audience as if you were in the room. You see, over the last decade, I've been doing training and coaching around the world, and I have discovered the following. In a virtual environment, you have to work totally differently to catch and impact your audience. That is why I have developed the system, the virtual presenter, which means to be able for you to be the virtual presenter, you have to decide to remaster the way you are doing your presentations right now from the ground up. Only this way will you be able to really be that presenter who makes that impact. So if you want to know how to be the presenter who makes a great impact online, then go ahead and follow the link here and make sure that you register for my book that I'm launching called The Virtual Presenter. And then I'm going to show you how you can be the presenter who makes a great impact online. Go ahead and click on the link to get priority access for the pre-release of my book.